Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, we have something very unusual for you tonight. I don't normally go live at this time, but we have a transformative week ahead. And when I say transformative, I mean absolutely transformative. This is going to be a momentous week ahead. So get ready for something special. The week ahead is going to be very volatile and very dramatic. As of this morning, when I woke up this morning, I took my last bite to eat completely, 100%, until Friday evening. 5 full days, 100% fasting. I'm also going to transform my mind, body, and my portfolio all at the same time. Never fasted before, ever in my life. I've studied this and I've made the decision this week to do this, to refocus my mind, my body, my portfolio in a transformative week. Now, before we carry on, I want to be absolutely clear. I don't want anyone to follow me. This is not medical or financial advice. Nobody here should follow what I'm doing at all. This is my own decision. I'm doing it for myself. I want to refocus everything. And over the last few days, I've been spending a lot of time thinking about my portfolio and my approach to money and so on and so forth, and my health. And I've done a lot of deep thinking. And everything is a matter of perception. There is arguments to say that investing in crypto is the worst thing you can possibly do. And there's another argument saying that to invest in Bitcoin, crypto, XRP is the best thing you can do. And the more you learn and the more you listen and more you take time to understand, you can actually discover both sides of the argument are equally valid. How can that make sense? How can both sides of an argument be equally right? Well, they can be. This is a very complex subject and it's not straightforward and it requires clear thinking. So this morning, when I got out of bed, I am simply drinking water and lemon. That's it. A piece of lemon and water. And some electrolytes if I feel I need some salt. I will be taking some electrolytes. But that's it. No food whatsoever. Not until Friday night. What's the purpose of this? Well, during this week, I'm expecting a transformative market. And for me, a transformative body and mind. So join me on this journey. Don't follow me. Don't do what I'm doing, but simply witness it. Every day I'm going to be live with you all day, every day until Friday night, when I shall then have some steamed vegetables. And then on Saturday, I will start eating normally again. You can't go straight into it. In 10 minutes time, the market will open up. I believe the market will be up. The market will be up 100% in 10 minutes time. The markets are being closed, of course, because of Labor Day in the United States, but they will open up and we'll go through all our positions. We'll look at them now and we'll see how things open up. Now, this week is going to be transformative. I'm going to be selling using tax lots, selling from the top of my crypto to rebalance my portfolio. I am also going on a life mission of eating absolutely nothing at all until Friday evening. It's already been 1 day. I feel a bit cold. If I'm honest with you, I feel a bit cold. I've taken measurements of every possible thing conceivable. So I'm also wearing my Apple Watch for steps. I will be doing some light exercise as well. And so far, it's a bit strange because Leah had her dinner tonight on her own. She didn't enjoy that. Food is not only sustenance, but it's also a social experience. So to not have dinner together is difficult. At the moment, I don't really feel hungry. I just feel I want to eat because I enjoy it. So that'd be interesting to see. not today, not even tomorrow, but on Wednesday, my body will no longer be eating glucose, but it'll actually be eating fat from my body. So things will change dramatically on Wednesday. Tomorrow I should feel great, apparently, once I've got to the sort of mid-morning. But Thursday will be difficult. And Friday will be increasingly difficult. Anyway, the markets will open up in 9 minutes. This is a transformative week. I'm going through a life change. I'm going through emotional, physical, mental change. Live on air, you'll see it happen. I expect the markets to be as transformative. I will expect my mind on Wednesday to be laser focused more than ever before. People experience when you go into the third stage, that the mind refocuses in a way they've never experienced before. And I want to experience that. So anyway, let's go through our positions right now and see how the market is before the bell goes. Now, it's the overnight bell, of course. This is the overnight market. For those who don't know, you're able to access the markets 24/7, 5 days a week, from the moment the bell goes, which will be tonight. The actual physical bell is in the morning, but from overnight, you will see all this refresh. So could you tap the like button and put a like on the show, and also consider subscribing if you are new here. And again, this is not financial advice. I'm not suggesting anyone follow what I'm doing at all. This is not a health show or a fitness show. This is my journey, what I'm doing to refocus my mind, my health, and everything. I believed a 5-day fasting, which I've never done before, will benefit me, and I'll be rebalancing my portfolio at the same time. Ultimate conviction. So my portfolio, as you can see, is up 0.2 at the moment with 7 minutes to go. The S&P was down last week. It ended up down. I'm expecting it to be up. Virgin Galactic ended the week down. Palantir ended the week down. Gold ended the week up 0.02. Amazon ended the week down 0.15. That was on the after hours. Apple ended the week down. Enphase Energy was slightly up at the end of the week. Coca-Cola ended the week slightly up. Johnson & Johnson, defensive, slightly up. Chevron Oil, very slightly up at the end of the week. Tesla was down, a bad week for Tesla. McDonald's, up at the end of the week. Google was slightly up, slightly down in the after hours. Microsoft was down on the week. Meta Platform was down also. Nvidia was down. I'm expecting to see Nvidia up this week. Walmart was up last week and down on the after hours. Tilray Brands was down disastrously. I told everybody not to buy this. Robinhood it was up on the week, but then down on the after hours. Rocket Lab had a good week, but then down on the after hours. Finally, Plug Power, disastrous week, and then it was slightly up on the after hours. Now, Bitcoin. Expecting this to open up. It is 1.62. Expecting this week to be transformative alongside what I'm doing. So Bitcoin is currently up 1.62. XRP has been selling off, but now starting to make its way back up, 1.17. Ethereum is down today. I'm expecting a transformative week there as well. So we'll go through all of those in a moment. The bell will go for the overnight in just 5 minutes time. Tap the like button if you'd like to support the channel, and consider subscribing as well. So once again, I'm actually going to move my subscribe button to over here. There we go. I just want to say again, this is not financial advice, and what I'm doing with my health is my own affair. You should not be following me or supporting me in any way whatsoever. I know some people are doing this, but I'm doing it to refocus my mind, my body, my portfolio. It's a transformative week for me, transformative week for the portfolio, my mind, body, and soul. Okay, so I stopped eating last night. It's already been 1 day. I don't feel hungry. I just miss the flavor of eating things at the moment. I felt a bit cold as well, but I've been drinking water and lemon, fresh, obviously real lemon, all day. So that's what's going on. Okay. So, and it's going to go all the way through until Friday evening, when I shall have a little bit of steamed vegetables. You can't just suddenly eat a big burger. You'll make yourself ill. And then on Saturday, I'll be back to normal again. All right. And the idea of this is it will reset my mind. It will reset my metabolism, and everything will change. So that's why I'm doing this. Let me read the comments here. Hello, how are you? Since getting out of the army 4 years ago, I've gained 50 pounds, said Benjamin. See you soon, Martyn. Yes, I am here. Much respect to those who were there. Good evening. Good evening to you. Hello, USA. Hi, Leah's here. Leah Lucas, my wife's in the chat. Hi, all. It's very difficult for Leah because she's supporting me, and having a meal is a sociable event. And tonight she had a meal on her own. So that's the first thing that you notice. Let's go. Best time to fast for your soul. He has said anything about, has he said anything about world liberty? No idea what you mean. Love it. Thank you for the service, Nikki. Pleasure to meet you. Hello, Leah. Crypto is the best. Hello, Angie. Goodness, are you eating at certain times? Not at all. Not at all. No, I'm not eating anything at all. The process, fasting process will not work. The ketosis and the euphagy and all these things cannot happen if you eat any food. You have to be, the process won't kick in to where it's actually reset my entire body. The whole gut rebuilds itself as well in 5 days. And without food, it completely changes. But you can't do any of these things unless you completely eat nothing. But again, do not follow me. This is for me alone, not for anybody else. I will not be eating a single crumb until Friday night. 5 days. And I'll be with you all the way through it. So you will see what happens. Goodness, are you eating at certain times? No, not a single thing. Just drinking water. XRP. Leah, happy Labor Day. I fast and the benefits are incredible. One tip, read the Bible and pray. Good luck, Martyn. You can do it. How long have you done it? Fasting can be normally 24, 36 hours. I'm doing it for 5 days, which is the extreme fasting. We've got 1.5 minutes to go. Keep up the electrolytes while you fast. Yes, I'll keep up the electrolytes. Are we in a bear market now? No. Auto OTS transform. Whoop whoop. I put a little rock of Celtic salt in my water. Yes, you need a little bit of salt. Yes, I've got the electrolytes for that. 1 minute to go. Don't consume electrolytes if you think you need it. You do need them. Get the liquid from and take water from you. Yes, I will be taking electrolytes from tomorrow. Water and lemons every morning for me for the last 20 years. Then apple cider vinegar. One of us. XRP in the tank. How much baking soda to water? I'm not having any baking soda. Drink plenty of water, Martyn. The first 2 days will be the hardest. Yes, they will. I believe that to be the case. Right. I predicted the market would be up. I predict it'll be a transformative week for me, crypto, for my portfolio, laser focused, 100% committed with you all the way through the journey. I won't be eating a single thing until Friday night. This is, join me for the journey. See how it all goes down. I will explain each part of the process. Tomorrow, I'll be explaining what's happening to my mind and body tomorrow. What's happening now is not a great deal. It takes 24 hours for it to really kick in. So here we go. 1 minute to go. All right. The overnight bell has gone. The overnight bell has gone. My market, I predicted, would be up. I'm right. It is. I'm up. Let's see what happens. Let's go through all our positions. We're expecting to see the markets this week be transformative. Let's see what happens. You can see the futures is flat. You'll see all of these positions open up in a few moments. But as I predicted, we are up. It won't affect crypto too much, of course, for a moment. Let's go through all our positions. It'll take a couple of minutes for it to refresh. So in fact, while I'm waiting, I'll carry on reading the comments. After the third day, you will notice a new sense of focus. Exactly. My mind will, this is what I'm expecting, my mind to be transformative in a couple of days' time. As we get to the midweek and the markets, in my opinion, explode with crypto, I'm going to be laser focused like you've never seen, because my brain will basically be getting a nitrous for fuel. Rather than burning glucose, which is a dirty fuel, if you like, it'll be burning my body fat, which is a perfect fuel for my mind. So my brain will get like a nitrous come Wednesday. You'll see that. You'll actually notice the difference. This is what I've believed to be happening. So again, please do not follow me. This is not financial advice or physical advice, health advice. This is my journey. You are simply witnessing it, okay? So we're waiting to see the market update itself. Hi, Martyn. Hope you are doing well. Fasting is not easy, and it makes you hungry. Hungry plus angry. Yes, I'm expecting my emotions to go on a roller coaster. It'll start tomorrow. There won't be too much. There won't be much at the moment. At the moment, I'm just a bit missing eating food and missing having a meal with my wife. But I've taken all the measurements. I've got lots of measurements being taken. So I'll update you. You'll be watching it live. But yeah, I'm not going to eat a single thing until Friday night, 5 days. All right? Expecting dramatic change. Be well, and you can always feed yourself with the Lucozade energy. Yeah, one of us. Boom. Patience is key. Daily ups and downs don't mean anything. Cold, but not icy. Correct. I'm not icy. I just feel a bit cold, and that is expected. At the moment, I'm feeling a bit cold. On the markets, this is correct. The first 2 days is your body dispelling any water retention. The third day on your body will utilize any fat stored as energy. There we go. Ketosis, that's right. That's what will happen. That will start to happen late on Tuesday. If you drink lots of water and that doesn't have the ratio of potassium, magnesium, salts, it'll just make you go to the toilet and present heart problems. If you don't drink lots of water, if you drink lots of water that doesn't have the ratio of potassium, thank you. Yes, I need electrolytes. I'll be doing that. Round the third and fourth day, your body will switch to ketosis. Then you will feel great. You call it a fast. I call it being poor. Ketosis. Well, not really, because even poor people would probably eat bad food, right? I'm going to eat no food. Okay. I don't have any entries. We both not eating. Please do not follow me. I'm not asking anyone or suggesting anyone to follow my journey. I experienced this when I was in prep for my bodybuilding competition, my last 2 weeks and the hardest, but I've never felt such clarity on focus in my entire life. You can do it, Martyn. Thank you very much indeed. I'm asking you to vote in the poll. Can I do it? Can I get through to Friday closing bell? 123 votes. 80% say yes. You always know I always do what I say and say what I do. Hi, Leah. It's a relaxing weekend. Just bought 5,000 XRP. Congratulations. I think that's probably a good idea. More sleep is recommended during a fast. Yeah. You are looking at a daily chart Friday, not the week. Yes, I know, Sensei, but it'll change in a moment. It will change. It should change. Let me go through all my positions. Let's have a look. So let's have a look. The S&P 500, you can see on the day, it's not showing anything yet. There we go. All right. So the S&P is down 0.09, down extremely slightly. Virgin Galactic, there's no overnight on Virgin Galactic. Palantir, there's overnight. As you can see, it's up 0.01. Gold is up. There's a 24-hour overnight for gold, up 0.7. Amazon is down 0.17. So my overall portfolio is up. I was right. It's up 0.1. Okay, let's move on. Amazon is down slightly. Apple is down 0.09. I'm feeling a bit kind of weak at the moment, a little bit. I'm hungry. I think I'm just hungry at the moment. My body it doesn't know where the food's coming from. So by tomorrow, it will start resetting itself, and the cells get regenerated, and it will start eating the body fat, which is how we were supposed to be millions of thousands of years ago when we didn't have regular food every 5 minutes. Cavemen would suddenly start eating. They wouldn't have food, and the body would eat the fat. That's what's happening right now. So, well, that'll start happening tomorrow. At the moment, I'm just hungry. Coca-Cola is down 0.001. J&J is flat. Chevron oil is up slightly. Tesla is up 0.19. McDonald's is up 0.1. You can see the colors are different for the overnight. Google is down very slightly, 0.06. Microsoft is up 0.06. Meta is down nearly 0.25%, down 0.23. Nvidia is down 0.44. Walmart is flat right now, 0.03. Tilray, there's no overnight market. Robinhood, there is, up 0.08. Rocket Lab, no overnight market. Plug, no overnight market. Of course, Bitcoin is up, it is 24/7, so we are up at the moment. 0.1.59. XRP is at 1.51. It doesn't show to the far right hand side. I'll have to zoom across, but you can see it's at 1.51. It's because the day hasn't refreshed. Come midnight, you'll see that be completely different, because normally I'm not here at this time of night, so you don't see it go that far across. Ethereum is down 1.76. So there are the markets. My prediction was we would open up. We have indeed opened up. My portfolio is up. All right, so you can see $185 in the last hour. We're up on the day. Now, my overall position, of course, we're up 17,008.03, which is a grand total of $276,000. But with everything else, with my Roth IRA, margin, so on and so forth, I've got about $400,000 invested. So my crypto position is also up 0.81. If we scroll down here, you can see I'm staking all of my Ethereum. I'm locking it all away. I've been buying the dips, but of course, we kept dipping and dipping and dipping. I don't like to say buy the dips. I buy with conviction. It's completely different. But XRP, I'm down now 8%. I would be down about 15, 20% if I hadn't lowered my average. But my average is going to drop dramatically soon. And those numbers that I'm down are going to dramatically improve this week. Why? Because I'm going to start tax lotsing. I'm going to start selling from the top. I'm going to be selling for a profit. It's not the same as stocks because of the spread, the cost. You want to make sure that you've got a profit. You don't sell for losses. There's no point doing that. But I will be selling for profit. And then the moment I do, my average will dramatically fall. So you may remember I entered XRP at $3.30. My average is now, using tax lots, is $3.04. I'm acquiring more, and my XRP average is coming down. This is why I put the video out over the weekend and stressed everyone go and watch it. If you've not yet watched it, type Martyn Lucas Investor tax lots. You need to watch this video. It's very, very important. Now, I'm going to say now, I'm already feeling weaker. This is harder. I'm a little bit out of breath because I've not eaten. I've only drunk water and lemon. This is difficult to talk. If you've just tuned in, wonder what's going on, I'm starting a 5-day reset of my body. My portfolio is going to be reset. My mind, body, and soul is going to be reset. 5-day reset. And as of last night, I stopped eating, and I won't be eating until Friday in the evening. A full 5 days of not eating a single thing. And I will tell you now that I feel a little bit out of breath, a little bit tired. This is expected. The first 48 hours is going to be the hardest for me. So tomorrow on the show, it might get very difficult. But I don't want to give in. I don't want to stop. I want to get through to Friday. So, but Wednesday, it'll get easier. Thursday will get easier. And then Friday will get harder again as I come to the final stages. And the body will be eating itself. It'll be eating the fat in my body. That's what will be happening on Wednesday. Anyway, so I'm going to end this. It's only a short broadcast. I do feel a lot more tired than normal. I can already tell you that my wedding ring is becoming looser. It was getting quite tight. One of the reasons why I wanted to do this was because I was storing water. Look, my wedding ring comes off quite easily now. That's in just 18 hours or something like that. My wedding ring is already I'm losing water. I'm not holding as much water already in that short period of time. So inflammation's going down. I'll see it change in my back with my discs. What's the word I forgot what it's called now. I've got 6 disc. What's the word it's called? Not discalated discs. Bulging discs, and you'll see that change as well. So anyway, there you go. There's my portfolio. It's as expected. The portfolio is up. My crypto is up. Crypto, I think, is going to outperform this week. The S&P. We're going to see a transformative week for my health, my body and soul, and the stock market. So join me on my journey. There will be members only sections. What do you get as a member? If you become a member, you will have a family that support you. You will have lots of content just for you. There'll be I'll be able to answer all your questions. Many perks that you get as a member. If you'd like to become a member and be part of this journey this week, the link is below the video. It's also on the homepage of the channel. You can find it very easily. Right, that's it from me. I'm just gonna answer a couple more questions. Be sure to take vitamins to make sure. Yes, I am taking my multivitamins as well every day to make sure that I've got that in your system during the fats, Martyn. It will keep cognitive functions in check. Thank you. Fasted cardio or walks are great for the mind when the calorie yes. I will be taking small walks, not putting the body under stress, but moving the body and getting circulation. So I will be going for a walk. Yeah. Thank you, Sensei. Also, what does Sensei say? You are. Oh, okay, I got that. You are also. Thank you for the updates, Martyn. You're welcome. Still up over 60% on my Tilray. Congratulations to you. I wouldn't be in that stock. I think it's purely gambling at this stage. Anyway, evening, says Scott. We are here to support you. Thank you very much indeed. I'm going to need the support. Thank you for all of you who have voted to say I can do it. It's going to get difficult. Tomorrow will probably be the hardest day. Tomorrow afternoon will probably be very difficult. How is that buying crypto an all-time high on margin working out? It's working out fine. Thank you very much. You obviously don't understand what you own. I am happy to buy all-time highs because I understand what I own, and I'm happy to use margin to do it. Definitely consult your doctor if you decide to fast and never have done this before, especially if you have low blood pressure or you are hyper. Yes. Please do not follow me. This is not financial advice, health advice, medical advice. I am healthy. My blood is good. I'm doing this for me. I'm not doing it as an example to anyone else. You can just witness it. Good afternoon, all. Wi-Fi release today, but just isn't sure. Not sure what you mean by Wi-Fi release today. I'm not sure what that means. What if I become a gold member Do I get to have a chat? Well, yes, you do. If you are a member and you are a gold member, during the live show, you can book a time with me and you can have one-on-one with me, yes. What do you think about that? I don't know anything about that at all. Have you talked to a doctor about how much water you need to take in? I know exactly how much water to take in. Josh, I haven't asked my doctor, but I already know. I fasted for 2 weeks straight. It was hard getting back into eating. Had to start off small. Definitely don't recommend 2 weeks. No, I don't need to do 2 weeks. You obviously had a very different reason to do that. 5 days is enough. Fasting and prayer is a total reset, says Beyond the Isles. Thank you for your thoughts. Mark and I started my first last night. I do it often and it is amazing. It will reset your cells, especially your metabolism in your gut. It will make you sharp. They complete a complete reset. Yeah, awesome, Martyn. Fasting is a beautiful thing. My longest water fast is 10 days. And dry fast, no water, is 5 days. And it worked. It has worked wonders. Thank you, MSK. Would this be the last big dip before the rate cuts an October run? I said before that we've already reached the bottom. I don't see any reason for the market to sell off any further than they have. That's my thought, but I don't know, do I? But if they do, I'll buy more, but I will use more tax lots on the way up. 3-day fast is great for the body. Just be careful what you eat coming off it. I found the water fast only with resting, no physical work. Yeah, it's going to be hard if I'm talking all day. I'm feeling tired right now, so I'm going to probably do much shorter shows. I love that you're fasting online as it helps keep you honest. Yep, it's going to be fully visible to everybody. Good luck with the fasting. Why not just intermittent fasting? Because if you don't go the 3 days minimum, the body will not be resetting. You'll just be punishing yourself for no reason. I want the absolute full body reset. So to do that, I have to go at least 3 days. And then once the reset has started, I'm giving it 2 days to really do a good job. So I'm going 5 days. Good luck with the fasting. Get that ketosis going. Yeah. Why are you fasting? I'm doing a complete reset on my mind, my strategy of investing, my mind, body, and soul. That's why. You're going to see everything transform this week. My portfolio, we've reached 100,000 subscribers. We're now going to 1 billion. I know exactly how to get there. Obviously start at 1 million. This is a transformative week and you're going to witness it all. As a Muslim, I feel your pain. The satisfaction after you eat will be worth it though. Good luck. Thank you for your thoughts there. Are you doing it correctly? Get plenty of sleep also. Yes, I will be getting plenty of sleep. I'll be getting an early night tonight. I'll be getting 8 hours of sleep. Please, at the end of your fast, break it slowly with broth or soup, light protein the first day back. Yes. Thank you, Beach. Thank you for that. I hope no one is selling into fear. A lot of people have been wiped out through liquidations. So what game is this? I don't know what you mean by that. If you really want, you can do it. I hope it makes you believe. I hope it makes you believe. I'm not sure what you mean there. I mean, when you're going through the different stocks, you were saying that we're up and down, but we were looking. Oh, thank you, Sensei. I bought more crypto twice today. We are addicted to food and sugar. Yes, we are. Our minds are, I mean, the fact I'm feeling hungry is not because I'm hungry, which I am now, but I just want to eat something. And I think that's the problem. What did you end up selling Walmart for? What did I sell my Walmart for? I actually sold my, what did I sell my Walmart for? I can't think now. I'll show you tomorrow. I'm completely out of my Walmart. Huge sugar addiction. Great, thanks. Looking forward to the show tomorrow. Forewarning, while overcoming the hunger, your tolerance for nonsense will be much lower. At least it was for me. Yes, I'm sure it will be. It's an ultimate challenge because I'm going to be trading. I'm going to be doing tax lots live on air without having eaten for 5 days. I'm going to have trolls coming in the channel testing me. It's going to be very difficult. I'm under no illusion that this is going to be my ultimate test. I'm feeling tired now. I just want to get through the comments. Why did you not say anything on the charity fundraising show? Said I have not given you... why did you not say anything on the charity fundraising show when Martyn said I have not given you a final super chat on your show? And I clearly have. Sensei. I'm not sure what you mean there, MSK. Not saying on the charity show, fundraising show, that I have not given you a 500 super chat on your show. Disappointing. Obviously, you're having a conversation there with Sensei. I can't comment to that. Good evening from the UK. I just watched it back the other day, and you just stayed silent when Martyn mentioned I never did a 500 super chat on your show. I don't remember. I don't remember MSK what you did or didn't do on Sensei's show. I honestly don't know. I have no idea. Anyway, we're talking about the fundraiser. The fundraiser is we raised $4,500. It was amazing because we didn't have our biggest super chatters in like MSK. We did it all with new members and some founder members, and we raised $4,500 for charity. It was incredible evening. And we want to thank everyone for being part of that. You can do it, Martyn. Thank you so much indeed. Thank you. Get as much sleep as possible. Yes. Stay active. That's great to hear. MSK, didn't mean to upset you. I was very busy during the show, but thanks for your support. Yeah, I mean, we were extremely focused, MSK, on the fundraiser. That's what it was all about. It wasn't about whether you gave a $500 super chat. I'm sorry about that, but I don't remember what was even said. It was about raising money for charity, and I would rather keep the focus on the fact it was about raising money for charity. The water not retaining, that is. What was that? What did you say there? Woods. I'm just trying to find out what you just meant there. Sorry, I missed your comment. I'm not really sure what you meant. I'm going back now too far. Sorry. If you can repeat that, I don't know what you said. Okay. Sensei, clarify. I've done a $500 show. Yes. Yeah. I'm struggling remembering. I mean, obviously, this is all part of my fasting now. I don't want to get into that. It's for it was about the fundraising. It was about raising money for charity. So I'll let you go backwards and forwards. Yes, I'll let you guys go backwards and forwards on that one. Evening, Martyn, 100,000, 100K. Darn, I hate that I missed the party. It was incredible. Yes, we're now aiming at, we know how to get to 1 billion because we are community compared to Mr. Beast, which is curiosity. And I will tell you that Mr. Beast reached 100,000. He reached 100,000 in 4.5 years. We did it in 4 years and 2 months. Faster than Mr. Beast. We also did it live without having to make sensationalistic videos. And we also did it in a harder sector, finance and entertainment, not gaming. At the time, gaming was way bigger. And in fact, it was easier to grow a YouTube channel then as well. So I'm very, very proud that we are ahead of the speed of growth of Mr. Beast by a long way. And we did it all live, remember. Okay. Good luck this week, everyone. September will be an interesting month. You've got this, Martyn. Thank you. I'm tired. I'm going to end this now. I'm just trying to get through the comments. Eating more fruit and drinking less liquid is great too. Yes, but I'm eating nothing at all. For the full body reset to happen, for my body to start eating itself, I have to eat nothing. So I can't just eat a bit of fruit. It's not going to work. All right. This is not about, losing weight. This is about resetting my body and my metabolism. And to do that, I've got to go without food for 5 days. You can do it, Martyn. Lucas aids are here. Thank you. Why, and more why? Why, I've already answered it. Just a regular routine after the fast. You got this, Martyn. I made it 11 days before You can make it 5. Congratulations. You went 11 days without eating anything at all. Wow. What do you think about the World Liberty Coin? I don't know anything about it. Ask Sensei in the morning. He will do all the crypto in the morning. Hello, friends. Terry Rose. What is the one-on-one call like? I'm very. What's it like? Well, basically, you'll call in. I will give you a link. We'll book a time on the show. You will call in and just talk to me, just like we met down the pub. I'll just be talking to you and answering your questions. That's it. You don't feel intimidated, mate. It's a private phone call. It's a video call. It's a private video call. Like you've seen me do on the show. You just say to me, when are you free? I'll give you a time, and then you call in. I've got about 80 people that use the service now. Good night all. Smash the like button. Is it safe not to eat for that long? Yes, it is safe. It is perfectly safe. I'm not going to die. I'm going to be tired. It's going to be difficult. But I'm not going to die. Right. So here we go. I'm going to end the show right now. I'm going to end this. I hope you join me for the journey. It's going to be live. It's going to be real. It's going to be a transformative week throughout this week. I promise you that. So be part of it. Be witness to it. Thank you for the poll. I asked you, 146 people said 81% yes, you can do it. Thank you very much indeed. I appreciate that. My stomach is now hurting. I can feel it hurting now. I'm going to go and sit down and rest because this has worn me out. I'm going to go and drink some green tea. I can do that. And that's it. Not a single biscuit, crumb, crisp, nothing. Not a single thing of anything. Just electrolytes. I can feel my body changing now. I can physically feel different. My wedding ring is looser, so I'm losing water. That's already happening. I weighed myself this morning or last night, and my weight was, I'll tell you what my weight was. My weight was, whoops, where is it? My weight was 202.4 pounds, and my waist around my belly button, the widest point around my belly button, was 42 inches. So 42 inches and 202.4 pounds. That's what I was last night. Let me see. I'll let you know tomorrow morning when I get up what I am now. And I'm expecting a dramatic transformation. And again, I put this at the beginning and I'm going to put this at the end. This is not for anyone to follow me. This is not financial or physical or health advice. This is my journey. I'm going through a transformative change on my portfolio, live on air. I'm going to be doing scalp trading, tax lot trading, and you're going to see it all live. Anyway, there you go. Thank you for coming on this evening. Very inspiring to all of us. Thank you very much indeed, Angie. Good evening. Good evening to you. It's more than safe. It cleans your whole body and releases the horrible toxins that we intake from the rubbish food we consume. Yeah, I mean, literally, the brain resets. My intestine will be completely rebuilt. All the lining of all of it, all the cells will be replaced. It's a huge transformation. It's not just going on a diet. Going on a diet, you just be eating something. This is eating nothing. It changes everything. All right. Namisha, thank you very much indeed. Cheers, Martyn. Rest up. Yes. Much success on the fast and the market. Good night. That's it from me. All right. Thank you. I feel tired. I don't feel cold now because I guess I've been talking and using energy. I've warmed up. But I would love something to eat. But Friday will come. Be interesting to see how I can do my music show. I might not be able to sing. I might have to eat before. That'll be weird. Anyway, that's it from me. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you live in the morning. The market is up. Expect a transformative week. in every sense of the word. Have a wonderful evening. This is a life journey. It's not for you to follow. It's just for you to enjoy or witness. I will see you back in the morning. Thank you very much indeed. That's it from me. I'll be live after Sensei's breakfast show all day, and we'll be going through our reviews. That's what we'll be doing. Yeah, I do feel different already. Too little to explain. I'll try to explain it better tomorrow. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. Have a wonderful evening, and I bid you a fair good evening, and I'll see you all back tomorrow. Until if you stay right where you are, it'll take you to an event you missed this morning, and you really should not have missed this. There was an event this morning. I'll give you the link to this. We've just discovered a car that actually charges itself, and if you didn't see it, this was the event this morning. Most of you didn't see it, actually. I'm going to send you there now. This is it here. Vaz did an amazing discovery on this. This car literally will charge itself, so it runs for free. So I'm going to give you the link to this now. It'll automatically take you there. Let me put that in the chat. This is next. Next. There you go. And pin that to the top. There you go. That's it. Next. That's it from me. Go and check that out. That's it from me. I'll see you back in the morning. I'm going to have a nice cup of green tea without the milk and the sugar and the biscuits and everything else. See you in the morning. Let's see what happens. Will I be here? How will it all pan out? Thank you for your support. That's it from me. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.